Good morning, everybody. It is like 7 a.m. and me, John, baby John, and Peyton are all ready to go. We're waiting for Ashley to come here, and from here we're gonna go to McDonald's, grab some breakfast, and then start heading to Kansas City. Guys, we are currently all loaded up in the car. John's in the front and Ashley is driving, but we are currently heading to McDonald's to go get some yummy food.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
We're at Starbucks, taking a little break, and baby John wanted to chill with his dad because I just changed his diaper. We just left Ikea. We were in there for like a few hours. There's a lot of stuff there at this one, so yeah, but we just left. We didn't actually buy anything yet because we're gonna come back to Ikea and get like our stuff on the way home, so that way we can have the trunk full and no one will steal anything when we go to the mall, which I think we're heading to a mall right now and looking at stuff. I think there's Lush at this one, stuff like that, so I will show you guys when it's there. Just left the mall that we came to. We didn't stay long. We just stayed long enough for Ashley to get something from Lush. I was gonna get something, but I decided against it just to save money for other things. But we are now currently going to Ryan's, which is a buffet. We're gonna go eat, and then I think we're going to a different mall, which is an outdoor mall, and going to Urban Outfitters and probably a couple other places while we're there. And then we'll probably go back to Ikea, grab the furniture that we picked out, and then head home. Guys, we are now at the outdoor mall. What's it called?
Country Club Plaza.
Country Club Plaza, if you didn't hear her. But we are in a parking garage right now, and we are making our way out there. I'm wearing a little baby carrier, but baby John's sleeping, so John's holding him. But it's getting loud, so I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Look at you! Taking a video, huh?
No. There we go.
There we go. Audrey, we've got one, we've got two. The third one, Audrey, goes in my pocket. Audrey, all you have to do is tell me how many's in the hat. 3. Enjoy your little time in the spotlight, Audrey. It's the last time I'm calling on you. All right, you ready? Now we got to get tricky, Audrey. We've got 1, we've got 2. The third one goes in the pocket. How many in the hand, Audrey? 3. No, you screwed up.
Hey guys, we're back at Ikea. We're being pushed in the car. Oh my god. We're going to pick out our furniture right now from the warehouse part. Whoa! So big. Hey Ashley. Oh my gosh. Are all packed up and ready to go back home. I think we're gonna stop at McDonald's real fast, grab something small to eat, and then when we get to Emporia, we're actually gonna eat dinner, and then we're gonna go home, help Ashley unload her stuff, and then we're all gonna go to our house and then unload our stuff, and then I don't know what we're doing from there. We made it home, guys, and we have all this stuff to put together and hang things and all that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.